right in phonics class. We have just finished the set 1 sounds and it's been a great time so far. You have learned to form letters correctly, blend words, write and spell some new words, as well as write sentences with words. You are all super well done. Today we are going to have a recap of the set 1 sounds and then do an activity. Are you ready? Great, so let's get to it. Ah, ah. S, s. D, d. T, t. E, e. G, g. O, o. K, k. K, k. O, o. B, b. L, l. Sh, sh. Eh, eh. R, r. J, j. V, v. Y, y. W, w. Qu, qu. X, x. Mm, mm. Ng, ng. Good job, children. Now, what we would like you to do is write one word for each sound in the set 1 sound. Think of one word for each sound in the set 1 sounds that we've done so far, and then send it to us on Google Classroom. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.